Hello guys, welcome to my channel today. I will show you how to make glitch effect in Canva. Let's get started. First, go to the Elements tab and add an image of your choice. Then go to the canvas. Right-click on the image. Then select Set Image as Background. Then your image will be added to the background. Click on Edit Image, you'll see a new interface. Scroll down and click on the trippy options in the Apps tab. You'll see several options. I choose Radiate and click on it. Set the RGB shift amount to 0.67. This enhances the image by shifting the color channels. Set the RGB shift angle to 0.37. This changes the angle of the image's color shift effect. Set the jitter to 0.39. This adds scratches and lines to the image. Set the solarize to 0.85. This applies a solarize effect to the image, turning it into black and white. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon.